Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds O and OI. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the O sound in the word cone, cone, cone. Now the OI sound in the word coin, coin, coin. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Toss the coin into the cone. Toss the coin into the cone. Toss the coin into the cone. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.